Hello medical fans, this is Watson, and today we're going to talk about our most popular and least popular topics. Please comment below with your opinion. What do you want more of, and what do you want less of? Also, congrats to our Medical King channel, which just surpassed 150 million views, and our case study channel that just hit 60 million. One of our most popular topics is ear blackheads, and one of our ear blackhead videos got 5 million views in 2 years. You're watching a few of its highlights. Click like if you're a fan of ear blackheads. Videos about Dr. Mike never really took off on here though. What do you think, folks? Do you want more Dr. Mike videos? You're also watching highlights from our earwax removal video that got 4.1 million views in the past 5 years. Meanwhile, our weight loss videos like this never got popular. This got only 200 views in its first week. However, kudos to Thynergy. I actually use it, and it helps me get the most out of my workouts. Viewers also enjoy tonsil stones and tonsil stone removal videos like this. What do you think? Now a quick word from Thynergy, and stick around because I'll show you a bonus video about pimple popping. Ooh. Do we have any Jersey Shore fans out there? If so, please check out this shout out from Snooki about Thynergy.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki, and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at Thynergy. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens! So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job. Mwah.
So there you have it. Nicole, aka Snooki, is a big fan of our favorite weight loss supplement, Thynergy. I use it for a boost before a workout and as an appetite suppressant. So order yours today through Amazon with the Amazon link in the description below. First off, what is a blackhead? A blackhead is an open comedone, or comedo. Take a look at the pores in your nose or forehead. Generally speaking, a blackhead is when one of those pores gets clogged with debris. The material often oxidizes and darkens from the oxygen in the air. That gives it the black or dark appearance. Whiteheads, by contrast, are closed comedones. Whiteheads are a mild form of acne that appear as small, round white bumps on the skin's surface. This type of acne occurs when a pore becomes clogged with sebum, dead skin cells, and debris. If this clogged pore is covered with a thin layer of skin, it appears white on the surface. Whiteheads commonly appear on the face, shoulders, neck, chest, and back. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe. Adam and I bring you new medical videos every single week. And click the bell next to the subscribe icon if you want to see more of the videos, because many of our videos are age restricted, and the only way to see more is by clicking the bell. Okay, so if a blackhead gets large enough, it is considered a macrocomedone. Pub Health says that if a comedone is over 1 millimeter in size, then it's considered a macrocomedone. In particular, dilated pores of Weiner are some of your largest blackheads. By definition, it is a cutaneous condition characterized by a solitary, prominent, open comedo on the face or upper trunk of an individual. They can occur on either young or elderly individuals, and they're benign, however, they can be considered unsightly. Doctors also confuse many dilated pores with epidermoid cysts. In reality, they can be very similar in structure and hard to identify. Epidermoid cysts, also called sebaceous cysts, keratin or epithelial cysts, are small hard lumps that develop under the skin. These cysts are common, and they grow slowly. They don't cause other symptoms and are nearly never cancerous. Epidermoid cysts are often found on the face, head, neck, or back. So comment below, is this a dilated pore or epidermoid cyst? Many people agree that the best way to pop pimples is with a comedone extractor kit to help you avoid scarring, allow you to empty the entire zit, and keep you from spreading infection. We'll put a link in the description below to the absolute best kit we've ever used. YouTube's most popular pimple poppers include Dr. Sanjali, Josefa Reina, Dr. Vikram Yadav, and of course the most popular cyst buster on YouTube is Dr. John Gilmore. I highly recommend checking out his pages if you get a chance. Here's a couple more blemishes for you. Thanks for watching.